Hello and welcome to our ITWU channel. Today we want to show you how you can use the new additional feature of our Teams and Notes solution to adjust the meeting options of your Teams meeting when creating the meeting invitation in your Notes calendar. If you're wondering what these meeting options are that we just talked about, let us show them to you. Here we are in the Teams meeting. And if you as an organizer click on these three dots in the top right corner, you can set the meeting options for this meeting. For example, that everyone can bypass the lobby or that only the organizer can present. Certainly, there are also meetings in your company in which you, for example, want to automatically mute all participants and only give them the floor after a show of hands. Or are the hearts and thumbs provided by participants during your presentations so distracting that you just want to forbid these reactions in the first place? Then you can now define these settings when creating the meeting invitation instead of just before the meeting starts, and even set standards for recurring meetings. To show you this, let's go to our Notes client and, as always with Teams and Notes, open a meeting. Now you can see this blue gear wheel for the meeting options next to the already known option Create Teams Meeting on Safe. If you click on that, a window will open where you can adjust these meeting options. If you want to use the default Teams options that are set in your Microsoft Teams Admin Center, just check the option at the top. However, if you want to customize the options, almost all of the meeting options that we just saw in the Teams session are available below. For example, in a large meeting, you can specify that all participants who only dial in by phone can bypass the lobby, but still need to be announced, or that the camera should be deactivated for all participants to save bandwidth. You can also determine who can present during the meeting, and just let us explain the role as presenter option here. This option targets participants who got assigned the role of presenter in Azure. You can have the meeting recorded automatically and enable, disable, or only allow meeting chat during the meeting. And by the way, raise hands is not one of the reactions in Teams meetings, so it is possible anytime and anywhere, even if the other reactions are not permitted. If you now want to apply these options to all or most of future meetings, you can easily save them as default. And if not, you click Save and send the meeting invitations. The invitations do not hold any information about the meeting options, so the recipients will only notice your specifications once the meeting has started. If before the meeting you come to think that automatic recording isn't such a good idea after all, you can of course change the settings you have made in the meeting itself. With the new additional functionality of our solution, you get even more flexibility in planning your Teams meetings via HCL Notes. And if you would like to use the new feature in your company, then just give us a call and get the latest version of Teams and Notes. We will continue to keep you informed about the new features of our solution on this channel. And if you want to learn more about the integration options of HCL Notes Domino and Microsoft Office 365, then simply visit us on our website www.itwu.de/ndo365.